بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على النبي العربي الهاشمي محمد بن عبد الله الصادق الأمين. اللهم احفظنا بحفظك ونرجو السلامة والرخاء للعالم أجمع. Dear friends, it is a pleasure to join you at this year's summit, and I thank the United Arab Emirates and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization for their efforts to bring us together. Our meeting takes on added importance during such extraordinary times, as our world faces an unprecedented crisis whose full impact we are yet to truly grasp. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced us all to adjust to a new normal. In the course of a few months, we found ourselves observing a new routine of remote activities, working from home, attending Zoom business meetings, and the occasional virtual summit. But this adjusted normal does not merely extend to our daily lives. It affects the very nature of our global system. As the pandemic overtook our world, the first instinct of some may have been to turn inwards. However, physical distancing should not mean operating in silos. We need each other, now more than ever, if we are to truly overcome COVID-19 and its far-reaching implications. We cannot really claim victory over this virus unless we flatten the curve in every single country. As long as one of us remains vulnerable, we all are. Our chain is only as strong as its weakest link. We in Jordan had to take tough measures to deal with COVID-19. We had to be decisive in our actions, although we were taking risks and learning as we went along. But because we acted proactively, with intensive testing, effective contact tracing, and a holistic crisis response rooted in public-private partnerships, we were able to flatten the curve in its first wave. We have been readily sharing our support and expertise with our friends when needed, and we remain grateful to the friends who have been there for us when we needed them. My friends, this crisis has exposed the weaknesses in our world: social injustice, income inequality, and poverty. But by doing so, it has also shown us what we can do to make it better. Instead of abandoning our global system of cooperation, multilateralism, Jordan, led by His Majesty King Abdullah II, believes a better global integration is the way forward. A re-globalisation that builds on the strengths and resources of each of us for the benefit of all, ensuring global synergy and prosperity. Instead of falling into the trap of nationalism, protectionism, and division, we can choose global solidarity and economic reconstruction. Instead of every country for itself, hoarding food and medical supplies, we can strive towards a better balance between self-sufficiency and interdependency. Every country has something to offer, and Jordan is ready to play its part to become a regional hub to counter COVID-19, its repercussions, and future challenges, capitalizing on its medical supplies, pharmaceutical, and ICT sectors. Our ICT sector quickly rose to the occasion during these challenging times, with our talented coders and developers designing and creating infrastructures for remote learning, online shopping, and other digital solutions. Similarly, we have been able to ramp up production of PPE and medical supplies to cover our needs and help others. And with an accumulated investment volume of nearly $1.8 billion, our pharmaceutical sector has the potential to ramp up its R&D capacity for the benefit of our entire region. My friends, throughout history, global crises have brought out simultaneously the best and worst of humankind. They have tested the true mettle of countries and peoples. Let us not fail the test this time. Let us choose to be the best we can be for the shared prosperity of our world.